So you all should be on your page 1414 of the workbook. Okay, page 14 of the workbook, and we will be starting from 5.1. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already sent you. You have already, most of you have already written it. And from 5.1 we are starting today. Clear? I'm marking on the screen and you will write down. I'll give you enough time for writing, so not to worry. Okay? Let us start. What is the characteristic of Earth as a member of the solar system? Okay, we know Earth is the member of solar system. What do you think it's special about Earth? Any idea? Yes, only Earth is the planet which has life in whole of the solar system. Correct. Okay, here comes your answer. You will start from here. Only Earth. Only the Earth. अब only का O होगा capital. Okay. Only the Earth among all the members of the solar family has got the sustainable temperature, water and air to sustain living beings. Up to living beings. This makes your 5.1. Did you get it, all of you? Okay, start writing. Now is your 5.2. Which are the major spheres on the Earth? I think you all know the answer. How many? Yes. Okay, so you already know. You already know the answer, so we are not marking this. You will write directly in the workbook. I'm dictating. Okay, write down the major spheres. The major spheres on the Earth. On the Earth, E will be capital. Earth are lithosphere, L capital. Lithosphere, comma, hydrosphere, H capital. Hydrosphere, comma, atmosphere, A capital. Atmosphere and biosphere, again B capital. And biosphere. Full stop, complete. I'm repeating whole of the answer. The major spheres on the Earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Full stop. Written all of you? Okay. Number 3. What is magma? Now this answer is on page 7 of the textbook. Actually आपके पास textbook है ही नहीं. हम directly mark it. Start from here. The molten. यहाँ से. The molten rocks in the interior of the earth are known as magma. Up to here. Only one sentence is your answer. The molten rocks in the interior of the earth are known as magma. This will be your 5.3. Got it, all of you? Okay, start writing. Now comes your answer number 4. Actually, 4 and 5 both I am going to dictate. We are not going to mark it. Okay, look at your question 4. Why is the crust of the earth not broken? Crust means the upper part of the earth. जिसके ऊपर हम रहते हैं, चलते हैं, buildings, houses, agriculture, factories सब बनाते हैं. Right? That crust does not break easily. हाँ, बहुत force आता है. I gave you the example of that mixture grinder if you remember. याद आ रहा है? Okay. So here the question is, why does the earth does not break? The crust does not break. Okay. Write down the answer I am dictating. The crust of the earth. The crust of the earth, E capital, earth is not broken, is not broken when the balance, check the spelling, when the balance between heat and pressure, between heat, HEAT, heat and pressure is maintained, is maintained. Full stop, complete. I repeat the answer, check it again. The crust of the earth is not broken when the balance between heat and pressure is maintained. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, number 5. Which are the oceans on the earth? First of all, tell me how many oceans are there? 7 oceans. It's there in your workbook, beta. What are the oceans on the earth? So, how many oceans are there? 4 oceans. And which are the names? Can Very good. It's Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. The same answer I'm dictating right down. The oceans on the earth are the oceans on earth, E capital, earth are Pacific Ocean, P capital. Check the spelling. Pacific, P capital, Ocean, O capital. Pacific Ocean, comma, Indian Ocean, I capital, O capital. Indian Ocean, comma, Arctic Ocean, A capital, O capital. Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Again A capital, O capital. I repeat the answer. The oceans on earth are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Full stop, complete. Have you written all of you? Okay. Now answer number 6. Now for answer 6, I will have to erase what I have written over here. Anybody writing? Okay. We are going to destroy all the oceans on the earth. Human activities disturbing the environment. Chalo, here comes your next answer. Which elements make up atmosphere? Means atmosphere is made up of which elements? The answer is over here. Look at the bottom of your page. We'll start from here. Solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in the atmosphere. Only this much. Solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in the atmosphere. This is your answer 5.6. Start writing. Okay, fine. Now let's start with 5.7. Which gases make up the atmosphere? Means atmosphere is made up of which gases? We have to name the gases. Okay. Now there are so many gases in the atmosphere. Some in large quantity, some in less quantity. Okay, we are going to write the names of some of the important gases and then etc. We are not going to write all the gases. And again, I am going to dictate this thing. So start writing. Atmosphere is made up of atmosphere is made up of gases gases like nitrogen, check the spellings, nitrogen, comma, oxygen, oxygen, comma, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, comma, ozone, ozone, comma, neon, neon, comma, argon, argon, comma, carbon monoxide. I'm starting from the top. Carbon monoxide, comma, helium. Please turn off the mic, beta. Helium, comma, hydrogen, hydrogen, etc. etc. Full stop. Complete. Yes, yes. I'm repeating the whole answer. Atmosphere is made up of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ozone, neon, argon, carbon monoxide, helium, hydrogen, etc. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay, chalo. Let's go to answer number 8. How does ozone gas work? Now we know that ozone is a very important gas in the atmosphere, right? What is its function? That is our question. And this answer I am marking. It starts from here. This gas. Okay? Now instead of this, you are going to write ozone gas. This के बदले आप ozone लिखोगे. So your answer will be ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects the earth from excessive heat of sun. Up to excessive heat of sun. That makes your answer 5.8. Did you understand, all of you? Instead of this, you will write ozone gas. Any doubts? Okay, start writing. Okay, question number 9. Where and when is the ozone gas found in greater proportion? If you want to inhale ozone gas, then at what time should you go and where should you go? That is the question. Again, the answer is on the same page. You will start from here. This. Again, instead of this, you will write ozone. So your answer will be ozone gas is more in proportion in the morning, in open ground and in the air near the sea. up to near the sea, last line of your page. This makes your answer 5.9. Got it, all of you? Instead of this, write ozone. Any doubts? Okay, now comes your next question, number 10. What is meant by condensation? Actually, the cooling down of vapor and formation of clouds is known as condensation. Okay? Same thing we are going to write. Let me turn the page. Here comes your answer. Okay. It starts from here. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Only this much. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. This is your 5.10. Start writing. Now comes your 5.11. Why are the radio and television transmissions possible? How does the radio and television work at your home without any wire or network connection? That is the question. Okay? And the answer again, it is on the same page. We'll start from here. We are able to listen to the sounds due to the presence of atmosphere. That is why radio and Doordarshan telecast is possible up to the end of the paragraph. This makes your answer 5.11. Got it, all of you? Got it, all of Okay, start writing. Okay, now comes the last question of this topic. Who are included in the living world, or what is included in biosphere? Living world, biosphere, right? So question is, what is biosphere made up of? That is our question. Okay. Now the answer is on the next page. I just turn the page. अच्छा ये लास्ट नहीं, इसके बाद 13 भी है ना? Okay. Let's start with the answer. The part of lithosphere, start from the first line itself. The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. Up to is known as biosphere. That is your 5.12. All of you understood from where to write and up to where? Got it? Okay, start writing. Now finally comes the last answer. What is harmful for biosphere? Biosphere means living world, right? So what are the things that harm the living world? That is our question. Answer again, I'm dictating, so write down directly in the workbook. Excessive exploitation. Check the spellings. Excessive exploitation. Excessive exploitation of the environment of the environment. Excessive exploitation of the environment. Then remaining from the question is harmful for biosphere. Is harmful for biosphere. Full complete. Any doubts?